All right, today we're going to show you how to remove the U-joint the easy way. You can use a press, you can use a hammer, or you can use a ball joint press. Which I can show you that, but the ball joint press won't work on this one. As soon as my wannabe helper gets over here, so the easy way to get these out is just to put them on a vice grip and lock this groove here in to where this slides up and down. This doesn't let it move, and it should slide. You can see it just comes right out. This is the new one because we forgot to do this video on the old one. That's how we get them out.
You
And
take it all the way out?
shouldn't have to. Just wanted to show them how to do the easy way. Just to come right out. You know, if you're using the old one, do these. You got to take the clips out. There's clips on the inside. You pop the clips out of here, and then smack them right there.
Back here, yeah.
Yeah.
Not out here.
Then they'll pop them. They'll pop right out. Then also, when you're putting them back together, you want to be very cautious that you don't over tighten. But if you get too tight, that thing's so heavy.
Show them how to put the clip in.
So you can put the clip back in, push it in a little bit past it where it goes, lock the clip in, then you spin it, then you could put this down on the piece here. See if that got it. It's gonna be really close. I have to use the socket maybe. Looks like it almost got it. Just set the clip in there, like so. And you want to smack these clips just to make sure that they go in. It's like this one here that locked in all the way. So, and it still ain't locked in.
Looks pretty close to the other side.
No, there's the back piece
Yep,
off.
that's what's matter, really.
Almost in.
I don't think it's in up here now. It ain't, yeah, we ain't down far enough.
Smack it down one more time.
And down, so it's on the face. Like that. Gives you more surface area. Which one was it? The other one?
It was probably the other side. Either way, that one went in. This is the one that's not in. It's right there. There it went. Looks like it went in. Yep. Went in
And
there.
my glasses so I can't see. I think it's out on the other side, dude.
It is out on this side, but we'll get that fixed. It's close to going in. There it went, I think. I think it went in that time. It's definitely in there. Turn in here, make sure. Don't know if that side there went in or not. I know, that thing's so heavy. Try to get this to spin back and lock in a little better. So I don't think it locked in. There it went. I watched it go in that time. Now we know that side's in 100%. This side in. That side is. Looks like it's almost in.
This same one, dude.
I know, but it came out. When I pushed the other side in, it pushed this side out. There we go.
One side of the light burn
I don't think it's in all the way, but see if I can get it to go in further. Well, I'm pretty sure that side's in. That side's definitely in. Just want that clip in there for sure. Alrighty, that should take care of that. And if you get these things too tight, like this one here is a little stiff right here, the way you can solve it from being stiff is just smack right here. It loosens it up. Makes it a little bit easier. And then you can grease it. Grease them off the vehicle, makes it a little bit easier.
Wow.
That's good.
This is dry.
Definitely, if you get stiff a little bit, just tap on the side of the stiff. Just hit it right there. It'll free it up. That's how you get rid of the. Now it's nice and perfectly smooth.